since I haven't finished my pins for week 6, at the moment it's just waiting for, I guess, next week to post some more pins. Since I posted pins yesterday, I'll just go ahead and just make another batch for next week so I can get it started here. The more pins, the better, seems like. So I am going into my chat that I've been working with Claude for the pins, and I have already. This is the chat where it knows my format for when I use Canva to build or to make the pins. Let's see here, project. Oh, I think the pins are somewhere. Oh yeah, the pins are right here. So it's project, and it's gonna know that anyway. So I go into pins, and each pins here, the master pin, I'll go into it one by one. That's A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. So this is the one I just recently made. I just made this up template, so this is under the grid. If you search up grid, this is where you can put up the picture or upload pictures in there. If you search up grid, uh, it'll be like that. So for example, well, so this, just put in the grid, and you can adjust it here like that, and then just fill this in. So you can make it to your liking. So that's that, like that. So this is the template here. Just fill this in. So I will go into each one. I'll delete out the one that I did for last time. So I'll delete that out, delete that out, delete that out, delete that out, delete that out. So I'll make 5 of them so that Claude can use it. So 5 extra. So 6 total because this one I'm not gonna I'm gonna tell chat to not to touch, which is a template there. Same thing with this one. Delete that one. Delete that one. Delete that one. Delete that one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Same thing with this. Delete that. Delete that. Delete that. Delete. Delete. It's not pretty time consuming here. There got to be an easier way. I think I will work with plug code to make this more streamlined instead of doing this manually. I'm pretty sure you can delete this out. Yes. This one didn't even touch. Yeah, so this one is not even touched. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one's not even touched. This one, oh yeah, this template wasn't even touched last time either. So I'll just leave it there. This one was. Delete that out. Delete that out. Okay. 6 of them. This one too. 6. All right. So it looks like we have everything here. That one is. We have 5 here. 5 here. 5 there. 5 there. So I want to make everything consistent so that chat so Claude can go into here to edit it. So I don't have to do it manually, copy and paste. All right. Okay, so I will go into the pins here. Okay, go ahead and generate another set of 10 to 15 pins. Use the URL for Canva for format A through H. I have already deleted the pre, previous design on Canva. So right now you can start on page 2 for each of the template. Please generate the output as you did as above, where with columns and rows, and drop down detail as above. Alright, so let's see here. Let me first plan all the pins, and I'll update Canva for all the format at once, then generate the reference table. Here are 15 angles for week 7, all different hooks, and from last week. So pin 16, does your kid know AI wrote this? Format B, format B, which is using format B. It will adjust it in format B there, and it's going to be in the Pinterest will be in the board AI for kids. So let me go into Canva and update all the formats simultaneously. I have all the element ID for file A now update. All right, so let's see here. Let's see what it does, and since we already do this, oh, here we go. So I updated that. That looks pretty good. So if you see that it doesn't really fit, in this case it does, you can always go in and manually update that, and then look at that. That's pretty nice. So you don't have to go in, and then it did start on page 2 instead of page 1 here. And say this one it did not touch, format B. This one format C did not touch. This one either. I guess it hasn't really gotten to it yet. So okay, awesome. So it's still working. I think format A is done. Now doing format B, C, D, and G all in sequence. Let me move through them quickly. Got the format B element updating pages 2, 3, and 4. Let's see here. That was format B, right? Yeah, format B. Oh, here we go. So format B, does your kid know AI wrote this? That's what it, yeah. Format B, does your kid know AI wrote this? So it's pretty good. Now it's doing C. Yeah, so let's see how this one is kind of messed up, is running into the image there. So, and this one is kind of off center here. So I will have to go in there and then adjust it. And it doesn't know how to come up with generate images yet. So I will, I guess, manually do that. I think I'm gonna try to do a generation of images by Claude itself, and then instead of using Canva, I'll just have it do it by itself, generate the image. Yeah, looks like it's going through. I will come back and then I'll show you the result. It's generating, so it did format A, which is there, 3 of them, and then B is 3 of them as well. Format C, there's 2 of them. That one have to edit, so you have to come back in and then adjust things that you see that are messed up. So like in this case, this line right here is not centered, so I have to go back in and do that. And it did not use format E, format F. It didn't use that either. G, it did. So you see how that part right there, it's all messed up. So I have to come back in and update that, adjust that. and this one it did two of them here, but I had to come back in and add the image. And then since I asked it to produce the table here, so Monday, and then if you click on it, it'll drop down. This is what I'm gonna cut and paste and put into the pins here. And yeah, so it looks it's pretty efficient, but it's still kind of manual. Not too sure how I can make it more streamlined instead of going into Canva here. So like I said, I'll try to make a way or find a way to have it generate the image here for me as well. But I think I have to do that on code and make a little app that does that. Alright, so right now it's currently all set for the week. It's not too bad, I believe. Not too bad, I think. Um, Alright, so I will go ahead and edit these and then upload it to Pinterest. Alright guys, thank you.